finger in the fucking way. I don't know why I keep doing that. Alright. Well, so here's the trim that I put on this morning. Here. That just finishes it all off. And then we put this trim on right here after, and then I just finished putting those on. So we got the sun visors on, the rear view mirrors on. So that part is frickin' complete. Those parts are no longer on the shelves. So now, you see I'm missing a screw over there and a couple of body plugs, no big deal. So now I'm going to get the same thing on the driver's side door. I'm leaving the armrests off on the back in case I got to pop the back seat out, because that's the only way to do it, is to take the armrest off and pull it out. Right now I'm going to pull the passenger seat out from underneath the bench, and I am going to assemble it. I got a couple little odds and ends. There's a chrome piece that goes on the back and a couple other little odds and ends, and then I'm going to install it. So that means that that side of the car will be almost done. Then I'm going to get the door for the glove box installed. I believe that the glove box gets installed from the back side. I don't think you need to take the door off to do it. So we'll put the door or the glove box on, and like, things are coming together. Got a little bit of wiring left to do there. I got to figure out where we're going to mount the tack, and I got to put the shifter boot on, because I'm not going to put the console back in this car, because the console I have is thrashed. And once I get a proper console for it, once I get a new console for it, then we'll put it in. No big deal. This is a 4-speed car. It's 383. Like I said in my last video, I will do a little video this afternoon before I go home, and then we'll go from there. All right. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for coming along for the ride. And oh, there's the Super Bee behind us, and then there's the 69 satellite with the Hemi block in it. Later on.